Hey y'all, welcome back. For the last year and a half, a year, I don't know, something like that, I've had a bad habit of putting off eating when I'm out doing stuff. And then it's, next thing I know, it's 3 or 4 o'clock and I'm starving. I get the shakes and end up with some stupid fast food. Like for today, for example, I was all over the Chicagoland area doing some shopping, and I held off eating, hoping I'd find something new and exciting to try. And then I'd see something that was on the wrong side of the street, and I didn't want to do a U-turn or just stupid. So it's now 3:30, and I stopped at Burger King. I could have had it. I used to love their classic chicken sandwich years ago. Can't remember the last time I had one. But today, we're having tacos because it just caught my eye. Been wanting tacos lately. Good old-fashioned hard shell. And I honestly don't remember if these have been on the menu or they're back on the menu or they're new to the menu. I think they're back on the menu or limited or something. But after 2 bites, it tastes like they just dropped the shells in old grease. I mean, it's greasy. Stuffing's not bad. Almost like a burger. But, man, this is so freaking greasy. My fingers are greasy. Now my pants are greasy. I could have gone another 2 blocks and gone to Taco Bell, and their chicken cantina tacos, whatever it is, are actually not bad. May even cost less. Burger King, these greasy tacos are the kind of thing that gives you a bad name. At least my headache's gone away from not eating. My shakes are shaking a little bit, but yeah, I like the whatever's inside. I just hate the greasy outside. Oh man, I don't know if I can. I probably should eat something just to tide myself over. But man, that's greasy. I don't know if I can handle the grease. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, and putting up with nonsense like this. Hopefully I'll get back on track, although I'm trying to do better, and I may be getting a injection that'll help me do better shortly. We'll see. And we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye!